A very good morning, students. This is your teacher Neelam Elawat, and today we'll start with the third equation of motion. And I hope, students, you have well understood the equation number 1 and equation number 2, right? So let's test your knowledge. So what is the first equation of motion? Dear students, let's start answering me. What is the first equation of motion? The first equation of motion is V is equal to U plus AT, right? And what is the second? S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And I hope you have understood the numericals which are based on these equations. Of course. So let's start with the third equation of motion. Now before we come to the third equation of motion, again we'll understand that there is an object A which is present at position A. Then we applied the force, or the object started moving, and now it reached the position B, right? Here the velocity was U, final velocity is now V, and the object has taken time t to cover the distance s, and since there is a change in velocity, the acceleration is produced in the object. So what is the acceleration, dear students? Acceleration is equal to V minus U upon t, right? I hope you remember, everyone. Have you understood? This statement and this diagram will remain same for all the three equations. So you will be using the diagram, you will be writing this statement in all the three equations, right? Clear? Okay, let's start the derivation then. Now, as we know that the first equation of motion says V is equal to U plus AT just now, right? The first equation of motion says V is equal to U plus AT. So we can have V minus U is equal to AT. We can shift this U on this side. This becomes AT is equal to V minus U. So T is equal to V minus U upon A. So we have taken out the value for T. What is the value of T? V minus U upon A, right, everyone? Now we'll put this value of T in the equation number 2, right? We'll put this value in equation number 2. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So T की वैल्यू जो हमने निकाली है वो हम यहाँ पर रखेंगे, यहाँ पे T की जगह पर प्लेस करेंगे, right? So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Okay, everyone? Let's start. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. We have put the value. S is equal to U V minus U upon A. So आपकी T की वैल्यू होती है V minus U upon A. So put this value. So S is equal to U into V minus U upon A plus half into A V minus U upon A का whole square. Okay, dear students? Now just open it. So S is equal to U V minus U upon A plus half A into V minus U का whole square upon A square, right? Now this becomes V minus U upon A plus V minus U upon A square upon 2A square, isn't it, everyone? So you can cancel it out. A can be cancelled here. So you are left with 2A, right? Now next comes S is equal to 2UV minus U square plus V minus U square. Okay, now open both the brackets. So 2AS is equal to 2UV minus 2U square V square U square minus 2UV, right? So 2AS is equal to minus 2U square plus V square plus U square. So 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. And this is your equation number 3. So V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So this is your equation number 3, right, everyone? Okay, just have a look. Just see that you've understood the equation. Let's see again. Okay, V minus U is equal to AT. So T की वैल्यू हमने यहाँ से कैलकुलेट की है. T is equal to V minus U upon A. Then we will put this value in second equation of motion. Value of t will be putting in the second equation, right? So we have put the values and we have come up with v square is equal to u square is equal, v square minus u square is equal to 2as, and this is your equation number 3. Now we'll be doing the numericals based on this equation. I hope you remember the formula. The formula is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, dear students, this formula we'll be using. Now let's see your numerical. Just see this. Has a velocity, a car requires a velocity of 70 kilometers per hour in 10 seconds from the rest. See, the object was at rest, so u is 0, okay, and your v is 72 kilometer per hour. Now convert it into meter per second, so 72 into 5 by 18. Okay everyone, just convert into meter per second. So we can divide it by 9. So it is 20 meter per second. The value of v is 20 meter per second, right everyone? U is 0, v is 20 meter per second, and your t is 10 seconds. Now what we have to calculate? First of all, calculate the acceleration. Then you calculate the average velocity and then the distance traveled. My God, you have to calculate 3 things. Okay, dear students? So you have to hurry up. You got to use 3 formulas, right? What is the formula of acceleration? A is equal to v minus u upon t. Put the values, hurry up. 20, right? So it is 20 minus 0 upon, what is the time? Time is 10 seconds, so 10. So A is 20 upon 10. So 2 meters per second square. So acceleration is 2 meters per second square. Okay everyone? Now coming to the next, you got to calculate the average velocity. So average velocity hoti hai. What is average velocity? And what is average velocity? It is u plus v upon 2. Average velocity is u plus v upon 2. So we have velocity, u is 0 plus 20 upon 2. So your average velocity is also 10 meter per second. Average velocity is also 10 meter per second, right everyone? Now let's have the another one. We got to do the last. That is, we got to calculate what? The distance traveled in this time. हमने distance को निकालना है. First we have taken the acceleration, we have calculated. Now the average velocity also we have calculated. Now we'll calculate the distance traveled. Okay everyone? We'll calculate the distance traveled, right? Let's see the distance traveled. So we'll use the formula v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now u square is 0, so we will have v square is equal to 2as. So what is the value of v? V is 20 square is equal to 2 into a is, what is the value of a? Let's see again, value of a is 2. So 2 into s. S we got to calculate. S will be calculated by us. So 20 into 20 upon 2 into 2 is equal to s. So 2, 2, 2, 2. So 10 into 10, right? So your s is equal to 100 meters. S is equal to 100 meters. Okay everyone? I hope this is clear. Let's see the numerical again. See, we have been given u is equal to 0. V is 72 km per hour. We have to convert it into meter per second, that is 20 meter per second. Time is 10 seconds. So we have to calculate a को हमें calculate करना है, velocity हमें average velocity calculate करनी है, and s हमें calculate करना है. So let's start a is v minus u upon t, so it is 20 minus v upon 20 minus 0 upon 10. So acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square. Now average velocity is equal to u plus v upon 2. So 0 plus 20 upon 2 is 10 meter per second. Right, everyone? Then comes the distance. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. We'll put the values in this. Here u is 0. So v square is equal to 2as. We put the values and we calculate s. S is equal to 100 meters. Right? S is equal to 100 meters. Okay, everyone? I hope you're getting it. Is there any doubt in this? Right. So what is the distance? 100 meters. Let's come to the next question. A stone is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity of 5 meters per second. If the acceleration of the stone during its motion is 10 meters per square in downward direction, what is the height attained by the stone and how much time will it take to reach there? Okay, how much time will it take to reach there? Now just write down what is given. What is given here? The u is 5 meters per second, isn't it? With this velocity the object is thrown up. Okay, and your v will be 0. Your acceleration is 10 meter per second square. The acceleration is 10 meters per second square. Okay, everyone? Just read it again. What else is given? Just find out. Let's read again so that we can find out if something else is given or not. Okay, see, velocity is given. Then your acceleration is given. Now what is to be calculated? We have to calculate S. And we have to take out the time. दो चीज़ें हमें calculate करनी है. One is we have to calculate the distance and second we got to calculate the time. Okay, dear students? Okay, shall we start now? Let's calculate the distance. Now before we going, see, just imagine this question. We are throwing a stone up. Okay, a stone has been thrown up, so it is going against the gravity, right? It is going against the gravity, so your acceleration is negative, right? Your acceleration is negative. Now first of all we will calculate the distance. For calculating the distance we will use the formula. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. This formula we will use, okay, and we'll put the values into this. So what is the value? What is u? V is 0, isn't it? V is 0. So 0 minus u is 5, right, into 2 into minus 10 into s. Okay, so we'll have minus 25 is equal to minus 20 into s. So we can cancel the minus. So 25 upon 20 is equal to s, right? So your distance is 5 by 4 meters. Distance is 5 by 4 meters. The distance covered is 5 by 4 meters. I hope everyone it is clear to you. So we have calculated the distance. Now we got to calculate the time, right? We got to calculate the time. So we will use V is equal to U plus AT. Now put the values. See, V is 0, isn't it? V is 0. So your U plus AT. Take U on this side. So minus U is equal to AT, right? We'll put the values now. So minus is minus U, that means minus 5. A is also minus 10 into T. So we'll cancel the minus. So 5 upon 10 is equal to T. that is 1 by 2. So we have 0.5 seconds is equal to t. So your t is 0.5 seconds. Okay everyone? So t is 0.5 seconds. I hope you've understood. If there is any doubt, students, you can still talk to me. You can call me and we can again discuss. But you must understand that the numericals are very, very important part of this chapter. You got to remember all the 3 equations and you need to know the use of these equations in numericals. So it is very, very important everyone, right? So I am giving you few questions that you can practice, right? And I have given the answers along with this. So once you calculate, you can easily match your answers here, right everyone? So I hope you will finish and you send your work to me. Okay everyone, bye.